It is not just Demo Derby, it is the indoor Mad Dog Demolition Derby Tour. And here with us is the one and only Jay Reynolds with Arena Motocross. Jay, how you been?
I'm awesome, Maddie.
Yeah. So great to see you again.
We're back.
You're back.
Yeah, this time with a Demolition Derby. I think it's the 10th annual at the Cowan Civic Center in Lebanon, Missouri.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so tell us, what are we in for with this event if someone's never showed up and experienced?
So this is like the Harlem Globetrotters of motorsports.
Okay.
Ooh, okay.
Just excitement, as you can see. Got a t-shirt cannon.
Love
ready
it.
to get the crowd interacting, things like that. All kinds of fun stuff. But we're talking 50 to 60 Demolition Derby cars. Cars are going to be indoors where it's warm. It's going to be raining this weekend.
Right.
Cowan Civic Center. You guys can be down. You can be there, and on Saturday night, and watch all these cars just destroy each other all the way down to one car. We're going to have Demolition Derby lawnmowers.
Oh my, wait, ride on or push?
Ride on.
Ride on, okay.
These guys are nuts. Okay.
Oh, so you're looking at it right there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, and they are killing it. I mean, they're just sitting there taking all the way down. So they reduce themselves. We have heat races, and it goes into main events. And it's just a ton of fun. It's in a controlled environment, nice and warm, dry.
Yes.
Key for this weekend. Crowd interaction, things are going on. We're gonna sit there and we're gonna fire off things like this.
Step back.
No, step back and a little bit of,
There we go.
little bit of that. Fire them off, get everybody excited.
Yeah.
We're gonna have Power Wheel Derby things so kids can bring their Power Wheels and do a Demolition Derby with Power Wheels.
Wow.
Fun stuff. All Saturday night long.
I was
next
gonna
week,
say-
and it's next weekend.
Next week, yeah. I was gonna say, it has all my nephews written all over it, from 3 to 10 years old. Like, they would be in hog heaven at this event.
Yeah,
so it's
there is,
family friendly.
but there's no demographic for Demolition Derby.
Yeah.
Everybody loves it.
Yeah.
Everybody. It's just it's a big deal. You'll be on the edge of your seat. There's an old adage. It's a cliche saying. It says, "We can sell you the whole seat, but you only need the edge."
The edge.
I've never heard that. I like that.
See,
Yeah.
you need the edge because you're gonna be on the
That's
edge
good.
of it.
Yeah. Well, speaking of being on the edge of your seat, you guys have brought this event back several times, several years. So what's it mean to you to be able to keep bringing this event back and share it with the community?
We really enjoy the fans. The Demolition Derby is so much fun.
Yeah.
People are screaming, they're having a lot of fun, we're interacting with them. It's all about the fans at the Demolition Derby. It really is. The guys are out there, they're doing their thing and crashing in each other. And then we've got a good DJ that he's sitting there playing music in between. There's some downtime while we're dragging off cars and everything. So we're getting out there, we're doing banana eating contests with the crowd, all kinds of interaction stuff to win some prizes. Yeah. So it's completely about the fans.
Yeah.
Next Saturday night at the Cowan Civic Center.
Yeah. I have to ask the like Mad Dog, is that the brand or something?
That's the brand.
Okay.
But it also does have has a meaning. So in Demolition Derby, sometimes to win, people will lay back and let everybody else beat themselves up because it's the last car that wins.
Yeah.
Right? And if you hit too hard, sometimes you take out your own car. So we have to incentivize the guys with some money, and we give them a Mad Dog Award. So whoever goes out there and just crashes into the other guy the hardest the whole time, and throws his car and himself to the wind and doesn't care,
Right.
we give them the Mad Dog Award.
That's kind of cool. I like that.
Yeah.
Oh
So
my
it
gosh.
keeps everything hard hitting all the way through.
Yeah.
That was actually my nickname in high school, was
Was
Mad
it?
Dog.
Mad Dog.
Because I was one of those people in sports that would just go right in.
Just,
So you fit right in for the Demolition
I
Derby.
was going to say, get me in a car.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah.
it. I like it.
Yeah. Okay, so then for people that, have never been out to the Cowan Civic Center in Lebanon, how far away is it from Springfield?
45 minutes straight down, however long it takes you to get to Lebanon.
Okay.
Yeah.
And right there, right off, it's right in the middle of, it is their civic center. Like right next to it is the Y with the swimming pool. And
Okay.
I mean, that's
perfect.
part of the
Okay,
building.
So
I mean,
easy to find.
Oh
Yes.
yeah, absolutely.
Also, what about ticketing options? Is it like general admission? Are there different options? How does that work?
Yeah, there's a lower level and an upper level, and they're both general admission.
Okay.
Yeah, and
Best
you
way
can
to
get
get
that
tickets?
motorheadevents.com. So you go to, just type in motorheadevents.com, and you can go easily and buy tickets. You can get tickets at the door, concessions, food, all that kind of stuff, merchandise. You can get cool T-shirts like this.
Very cool. Yeah.
Love it, Matt.
Yeah, I know, right? And so
So
yeah,
that's
we're
next
having a blast.
weekend, April 26th, right?
Whatever Saturday next.
Whatever next Saturday is, mark it.
Don't you
Yes.
worry. I got you, Jay.
All right, well,
Yeah.
Jay, thanks for being here. We appreciate it so much.
No problem. You want to hold that?
Yeah.
Oh my
I
gosh,
like
go
it.
for it.
There you
We'll
go.
be
Be
back
back.
at the camera. I'm just kidding. We'll be right back to talk about the upcoming Sado 48 Film Festival. Do not go anywhere.
Woo!